In this video, we are going to solve question number first from exercise number 13.3. Find vector product of vectors 3 I cap plus j cap minus k cap and 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap. Let vector A is equal to 3 I cap plus j cap minus k cap and vector B is equal to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap. Then cross product of vector A and vector B is equal to vector A cross vector B, which is I cap, j cap, k cap. Now elements of vector A is 3, 1, minus 1 and elements of vector B is equal to 2, 3, 1. To solve this, we will get I cap 1 plus 3 minus j cap 3 plus 2 plus k cap 9 minus 2. So vector A cross vector B is equal to 4 I cap minus 5 j cap plus 7 k cap. Hence, cross product of vectors 3 I cap plus j cap minus k cap and 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap is 4 I cap minus 5 j cap plus 7 k cap.